Hey, welcome back. So we're going to go ahead and use Onshape's inspection and repair feature. So let's go ahead and move on. Go ahead and make a copy of this document here. So for step 2, we're going to go ahead and edit sketch number 2. So double click on sketch 2, reorient to the front view. For step 3, we're going to go ahead and access constraint manager. So click on this icon, constraint manager. For step 4, we're clicking on this icon here. So click there. Notice we have a list of errors. For step 5, we're deleting this equal relationship. So delete this. And our sketch looks good. For step 6, we're going to Profile Inspector. So click this icon, Profile Inspector. For step 7, we're going to Loose Ends. So click here. And notice we have these two dots that need to be connected, or points. So we're going to go ahead and use a coincidental relationship between these two. So click on these. And notice we just connected the dots. So we go ahead and accept the sketch. And we just created this cavity here. So now for step 9, we're going to edit sketch number 3. Let's go to the front view, we delete all of this. And now for step 10, we're going to use the offset tool. So go ahead and click on offset, select this face. We're going to go in the opposite direction. We're going to put a value of 0.1. And then we accept. Let's go ahead and view that. So now for step 11, we're going to go to our history tab. So click on history, show changes. So it's showing 2 changes right here. But we want to do is edit whatever we did on sketch number 2. So you have to make sure you click on repair. And we're working on the one that says sketch 2, which would be this one. All right, so this is what you should be seeing on your document. This just popped up. So now I'm going to move on. So I'm going to hide the history tab. And then I'm moving on to extrude number 5. So I'm scrolling down, go to extrude number 5. So what we want to do is click on this, replace reference. And what we're going to do to replace this, we're going to replace it with this face right here. And we go ahead and accept. And this is what we now have, and we go ahead and accept this. That's what we did for step 14. Now for step 15, we're going to the fillet feature, or the fillet number 4. And we're once again replacing reference, and replacing it with this part here. And we go ahead and accept. And we accept. So at this point, we're pretty much finished with our drawing. So let's go ahead and go to Mass Properties. Select this. And we should have an answer right here for the mass when we go to the next slide. So go ahead and go to begin self-check. And this one's going to be a close answer, so make sure you do it right, because I got the right answer. So anyways, thank you for watching, and good luck.